Hi ICD crew! Today I'm going to be going over our oxymoron idiom illustration. So let's get started. For our materials, we're going to need a pencil, an eraser, different pens like Sharpies, your oxymoron and idiom of choice. I picked freezer burn for mine, and optional is some coloring tools. Remember that I left you guys a example list on my assignment post, so make sure you take a look at those, but we also have some great ones on the internet as well. And of course, like always, I'm starting off with some sketching, working out my ideas, and deciding which illustration I'm going to go with, and most clearly illustrates the oxymoron. Also, remember that references are super awesome to look at for details, just a reference. You're like, oh my gosh, I'm going to draw a stove. What does a stove even look like? Stuff like that. And really helps help us be clear with our illustration. Then now I'm moving on to my sketch, just working out all the details, looking at my references for different things, making sure I have any expressions right, just really working out the foundation for me to start outlining, which is what I'm doing now. So for freezer burn, you can see I decided to do a snowman cooking, and he's getting a burn. But to show that it's kind of like a freezer burn, he's a snowman, I wanted to make his kitchen look like it's cold, so I put a lot of icicles, and then I eventually added this blue Sharpie in to really bring out the cold feeling. Even though it had icicles, I was afraid that it might be confusing a little bit, and I thought the blue color is really associated with like the cold temperature, so I thought the addition of this would help bring that out. So that's a great example of using color and making decisions based on what is the most understandable for the viewer. So yeah, so I also added in some red to kind of add to the like alert, I have a burn kind of thing. And then I also added in him saying youch, and then added in the word freezer burn at the bottom too. So yeah, hope this was helpful. Remember guys, we're looking to clearly illustrate our idiom through an image. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys are all well, of course, and thanks so much for tuning in.